Hello everyone, good morning. Ivan Leong right here. Today is a Sunday and it's usually the time where I prep all my food for the week. And the first thing I will prep for the day is the Anabolic French toast. Right over here, as you can see, I have like 2 trays of eggs and then 2 loaves of bread and some of this artificial sugar stuff. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so now as you can see behind me right here, I've separated all 2 trays of the egg whites. So all the egg yolks are inside here, and then for every cups of egg whites, you can use 4 pieces of French toast to make like 2 servings of French toast. And so for every 1 cup of egg whites, which is around 6 to 7 eggs, you need to put like a tablespoon of this vanilla essence. So right now there are like 30 egg whites here and 30 egg whites here, and I'll be putting around like 5 tablespoons of vanilla essence. And then he uses a sugar twin, which is a little bit sweeter, but in Malaysia we only have this. You can actually find this in okay. One thing to take note that is very important is that you have to use this equal gold artificial sweetener and this is because this thing can actually dissolve in cold water. You can actually find this in pretty much every grocery store like Aeon, Tesco, no, I think it's only in Aeon and Jaya Gocer. It's around like 11 ringgit for a box, and you have to put so for every like 6 egg whites, you have to put like 5 packets of this. So there are like 30 here, so I'll be putting like around 50 of this, so which is like the whole box of this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But the thing is, depending on your preference, if you like really sweet things, you can add a lot of the artificial sweetener in it. Me personally, I really like sweet stuff, and also you have to remember that taste is the most important factor when it comes to the diet. And if your food doesn't taste good, you will not be able to stick to the diet. So whenever you guys stir it, right, make sure that all the sugar is actually dissolved. If it doesn't dissolve and if the sugar just go right down there, your bread will not be able to taste that sweet, and it will be a bit bland. If it's too bland, then also you cannot stick to the diet. Blue color box, if you put it in the egg whites, it doesn't dissolve. I've tried it, so to make sure that you don't make the mistake, you have to get the yellow box. So what I do every single time is that if you have the money, you can invest in more pans. So right here I have like one. As you can see right here, 1 pan, and then 2. One more right here. Oh shit. Sure, you might be asking like, hey Ivan, you only got like 2 stoves, but actually I still have 1 more hot plate like right here. So yeah, so that is how you cook in bulk and save time. Actually more recommended that you use pan spray because this thing, as you can see, per 1 second spray, it is 10 calories. So this is 10 calories. So okay. Just make sure that you really oil the pan up so that your bread wouldn't stick on the pan. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see me. This is one of the most important steps. You have to use one like a spoon or something. Just make sure that you scoop out the egg yolks. Then you take some, put it on the bread. So this is in order to make the your French toast as fluffy as possible. And also, if you have more protein inside your French toast, you're gonna be more full when you eat it. Just scoop the egg whites until that the egg whites overflow the bread. As you can see, overflow. So yeah, it means that you are good. Okay, so whenever that side is cooked until like this color right here, this color, then you can flip the French toast. If you don't flip it on time, you're gonna burn it. Finished cooking all the French toast, and this is going to last me for like 1 week. Alright, so see you in the next video, and the next video I'll be showing you guys on how to make the wraps that I eat every single day, so stay tuned. Okay, so as you can see, my sister, she also like to eat this. So it's not like a bodybuilding food. It's actually it tastes really good. So you guys have to give it a try.